We are at the Tandem car wash, and it's a brush car wash. Okay, and for those who saw my last car wash video, then you probably remember the huge change thing. And I'm on my iPod this time, so it will have better quality. No, this is not the same car wash, this one. This is a different location. But it still has a G5. Actually, I don't know what brand cash machine this is, but I know that this is PDQ. Add $10 for the cleanup. What? Is that what we're purchasing? Yes, this is a PDQ system. Always. Mom, if you look at the G5, you notice that has a tire cleaner instead. Look, don't you see the cone? That's the tire cleaner. At $5. Welcome to Tandem. Ooh, the go arrow. Okay. Oh, it's got the PDQ go. 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 Dad, don't you hear the go? Alright, this might be a little scary. Alright, we're driving in. Whoa.
You know when you're at your wheel.
Oh, they don't actually scrub. They don't scrub your wheels.
Oh, that's kind of good.
Yeah, the other one did.
I thought it scrubbed it.
That's what I thought.
I want to take moved up.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
What the heck? They put the magnets inside the wash. Who does that? Mom, they put the magnets for those like who lost them inside the actual bay. Yeah, you got PDQ.
I don't know if I got anything on the back wheels done or not.
Well, thank you for getting our insurance straight. As soon as I start talking, I was on now. So now I don't need to pay.
Oh geez,
How much
I need
are they
to
going to send the new bills?
Alright, which system's gonna do? Oh, the back system is. Back
So
system.
how much was it before? I know you wrote.
It was down.
No, you had it.
Oh, 600 something. So 1,200. That's about right, because I was paying like right at
PDQ, you made this system so confusing.
Now I'm paying almost $200.
PDQ, which?
It's double.
That's why I asked her if I was.
Oh,
if
it's coming
this
from
car
both
was more
sides.
expensive than the other one. It's just that it's not. It's like $50 difference.
Oh. Hopefully that some light. Oh, jeez. Whatever you do, don't look in front of you.
See, I would too, since he's only 2005. That, to me, that just makes sense. And you're outside in such good shape. I would do that. We dropped stuff off the schedule, right?
PDQ's other brush. Mom, don't look beside you. Oh no.
What?
I'm guessing that PDQ obviously made this system also really high pressure like the G5. Oh no, that's tire cleaner, I think. Dad, it's tire cleaner.
Maybe he doesn't need that this weekend. There's a whole big roller.
Well, I figured the kids would eat mac and cheese. That's why I brought that home.
Did you get banana pudding?
No.
Yeah, that's definitely tire
I don't know
cleaner.
what happened to the rain? We can walk.
Ooh!
Oh, yeah.
It was supposed to rain. So that's why I made sure I walked last night.
Everyone's favorite color polish.
Well, I guess
My brother made up a song a couple of years ago that went rainbow, 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 rainbow.
Well, what time's the lady closes?
Oh, jeez.
The sewing lady.
I don't think she closed till 7, but we probably need to go there after this and then go to the bank. Sorry about the new phone.
Cash, one cash.
I don't know what's available when I go up
Oh, look. Now the water comes. Yeah, don't you think it's pretty cool how this thing actually has two systems on it? One in the back and one in the front. Overhead. And we're in, looks like it's supposed to be a spot free rinse. Cleaning, cleaning, cleaning. Dad, someone's taking the money out. Hi, guy who's taking the money out. And what do? Oh, look, they made Dad.
What?
They obviously put the the sign in the wrong place. Look, you can't even read it because of the brush.
Oh, you're right. You can't see it. So was that wax? What was that they just put on?
I don't know. I can't read it.
See if Mommy can read it.
Where?
It's right here.
Oh, integrated flash dry.
Oh,
Guess what? It's time for flash dry.
a flash drive.
That's that's on board dryers.
I do like these dryers, man.
The built-in ones. I really wish I.
Was that a dryer? That wasn't just pouring water?
No, it squirts water while it dries, and then it will do another cycle of actually drying. Dad, look, see, now it's on full power. Moving really slow.
Cigarettes?
Blueberries? Oh,
That's not
I
drinking.
worry about just me.
You can't just like eat blueberries and after you eat, you brush your teeth.
That's what I think about it. I think if you have a coat and you brush your teeth, you might find it.
So we're done.
and that's the end of the wash.
Alright, well, I'm gonna get out here, get out and look at the car and just see what the wheels look like.